Yo, what's up world? Another day in West Bali, and today we are actually in Gilimanuk, the most west part of Bali. And well, Gilimanuk is famous for only two things. Thing number one, harbor going to Java Island to Banyuwangi, and obviously you can go by car to any other cities in Java Island if you want. Many thousands of people usually travel local. One, and this is behind me, is the terminal actually, where you can park, rest, waiting for your boat. But I don't know why it's so quiet actually. And number two, very interesting and famous place in Gilimanuk is Ayam Betutu Gilimanuk, which is super spicy chicken cooked originally in Gilimanuk, and many people, local people, love it, and whenever they come to Gilimanuk they're gonna try to eat this. We're gonna demonstrate to you because for me it's level like that, super spicy, but many people love it. And well, obviously this is what Gilimanuk is famous for. And after a few observations, quick observation, I just realized as only Ayam Betutu Gilimanuk is available here as the local food. But yeah, this is, as I said, Gilimanuk is famous for these two things.
Yo, what's up guys? How are you doing? I hope that you are doing well. So, Damian already showed you around, and this is the food. Ayam Betutu, very special in Gilimanuk area. Like Damian explained, Gilimanuk is only famous for the two things, pork and betutu. So this is the original Ayam Betutu from Gilimanuk. So I have here with the sambal. You can get closer, sambal mata, and then this is the special thing here. They have a peanut, and they have the veggies. I think that this one with the peanut sauce, so nice. Well, the betutu actually there are two types. If you choose the wet one means like betutu basah. It means that the betutu is the steamed one, and this one I just choose the fried one because I like something with the fried and crunchy. So this is the food. Smacznego. Selamat makan.
Anyway, quite many people come when I was showing you around, and that's how it looks. Local warung, obviously, always support local, right?
Okay, so this is actually how is Ayam Betutu. You see, this is inside. This is the steam one. This is the steam Ayam Betutu, and I have the one that fried. And you see that's the sambal mata, and so also the veggies. That one is one full Ayam Betutu. So nice. Look, they put it the spices. So good.
So if we are talking as a spicy, look at the color of the chicken. Normally it's white or yellow, but this one is like already pinky.
Can you see this one? This is the chili. So this is the special thing with Ayam Betutu. So it's not only about the fried, with the hot oil, but there is some Balinese seasoning inside that makes so special. It's so spicy. That's why Damian was thinking only me eating for this one.
Definitely this is level spicy already, the highest what you can find. So if you afraid, better maybe avoid this, but maybe you could try it. Anyway, this is good opportunity to recommend the Winnie new channel. Comment below one more time. I think so we're gonna make it. Maybe you can already support Winnie and start subscribing the new channel. The link will be in the comment section down there. Big thumb up and give her support. So soon will be a foodie channel. What is spicy already?
So Ayam Betutu has to be spicy. As you see that here, you see that's the spice, the chili. Yeah, you take out this one, put it here in the nasi, and then I have my sambal here also, and I have my veggie, peanut. So good. This is so yum. Okay, so this is one full of Ayam Betutu, and put it on the plate. You see the steam, so fresh, so good. Okay, so I already finished my food, and then I want to buy one whole chicken for my family at home. So after this, we plan to go to Tabanan, and this is for my oleh-oleh. So one full of our Ayam Betutu costs you around 120k, and one portion just costs you about 40k. So the total is 160k that I bought today. So good.
Alright guys, so just behind me is actually the port, harbor, however you call this, to going to Java Island. They are already big as ships where you can put your car, motorbike, and if you have looking to have a road trip, you can go. Unfortunately, this is like a closed system. You have to have a ticket and go. We are not going to Java Island on this occasion. Well, looks like this. What I can say, it's very quiet. That's what I really noticed. Now is after holiday season, it's very quiet, but if you will come here, maybe we could come here 2 weeks ago, probably was very busy. Yes, Sayang, what do you think?
Yeah, so I think that this is the area also where the bus can park.
Hold on,
there.
Sayang, I will jump off from the stone.
Okay, so you see over there also the bus, and then so the bus coming from Java, first of all they will park there, and you see that's the bus or terminal for the first time. And look at that, that's the bus Denpasar Gilimanuk. So if you coming from Denpasar and then you are taking the bus, and the bus will just stop you here. So this is the first terminal, and then if you want to go to Java, you can buy the ticket, and then there maybe in a Ketapang port, you can take another bus to go to Java when you already arrive in Java.
If you of course would looking to go by bus to Java Island, usually people going by planes, but I know some people personally who travel by bus. If let's say you can go by plane, many people actually driving by cars. That's a lot of people driving by car, that's for sure. And this is the little bay in Gilimanuk. Just behind me is the Menjangan and island somewhere there. I mean, I'm not sure if I can see Menjangan, but it's West Bali National Park. We also been there last year. And on the other side over there, unfortunately, I think you cannot see it, but you could possibly see already Java Island. But yeah, that's simply how does it look like. After that, not much is happening in Gilimanuk in West Bali. I think this is only the few boats over here, and that's it.
Okay, so here is daya tarik wisata Teluk Gilimanuk. You see surrounds just nothing interesting. So if you are out from the port, so this is how it is, the road in Gilimanuk. You see on the left, on the right side, yeah, some of the, I think that one-star hotels, also toko oleh-oleh shops, souvenir shops, something like that. And yeah,
and that's it.
That's it.
And simply that's it. So anyway, this is the main entrance gate on the road to Gilimanuk, very characteristic place. You're not gonna miss it. Anyway, if you're planning to come here just for sightseeing, you are not going to Java Island just for sightseeing, from Sanur it's gonna take you and took us about 4 hours drive straight. If you are lucky enough, as it's no traffic like now, in the high season it's gonna be much more. I showed you how it looks Gilimanuk today, very West Bali. I hope so we're gonna get 500 likes for this video, because this is like a lot of effort, and unfortunately maybe it's not that much to show, but that's why maybe you know now why it's not many videos from West Bali, especially from Gilimanuk. But at least you know how does it look like now and what to expect. So 500 likes, so I hope so it was worth it for us to come here and show you around. And anyway, main street, quiet white wall road, many trucks, many big bus, and that's how it looks like. You have to be just very careful. I hope so you enjoyed. That was, yeah, that's how it looked like. Thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow with next one. See ya, take care guys.